In 2026, luxury homes are no longer judged by size alone. They are judged by how hard they are to replace. Privacy matters more. Wellness matters more. Climate resilience matters more. And above all, the best homes now have to feel effortless, because Sotheby's says the luxury market is still growing, but more selectively than before. So in this countdown, we're measuring what truly defines top-tier living now: location, craftsmanship, amenities, technology, and the kind of comfort that turns a house into a private world. At number 20, we start with the sleek city penthouse that gets everything right except total seclusion. It offers panoramic views, floor-to-ceiling glass, and a layout built for entertaining above the street. In 2026, that view still carries status, but compared with the homes ahead, it is only the first step up the ladder. Number 19 is the contemporary townhouse in a global capital, where prestige comes from proximity. These homes win with designer finishes, hidden garages, private elevators, and interiors that feel more like galleries than residences. They are ideal for buyers who want access, not isolation. At number 18, the resort-style condo begins to separate itself from ordinary high-rise living. Think spa bathrooms, a fitness suite, curated concierge service, and amenities that mirror a five-star hotel. This is where luxury becomes managed convenience. You are not just buying square footage, you are buying time. Number 17 is the waterfront villa with a private dock and wide-open entertaining terraces. The appeal is immediate. Morning light on the water, sunset dinners outside, and direct access to the lifestyle that most buyers only vacation into. In 2026, waterfront remains one of the strongest signals of enduring wealth. At number 16, we move to the secluded hillside estate. Here, the key value is elevation and distance. These properties often deliver long sightlines, gated arrival sequences, and a stronger sense of retreat. For buyers concerned with privacy, this is where the market starts to feel truly exclusive. Number 15 is the branded residence, one of the clearest signs of where luxury is headed. Savills expects the branded residence category to keep expanding because buyers want service, consistency, and status in one package. These homes blend real estate with hospitality, and in 2026, that combination is powerful. At number 14, we reach the wellness-centered home, where health is no longer an add-on. It is architecture. Spa-grade bathrooms, cold plunge pools, saunas, air and water filtration, and dedicated recovery spaces are becoming baseline expectations. The new luxury ritual starts at home, and it is designed to make you feel better immediately. Number 13 is the multi-generational compound. These homes are built for families who want to stay close without losing independence. Dual primary suites, guest wings, staff quarters, and accessory dwellings create privacy within one estate. In the luxury market, that flexibility is becoming as valuable as any marble finish. At number 12, the smart home mansion enters the picture. Lighting, shading, climate, security, and entertainment are all integrated into a single system, and that matters more than ever. Designers now treat lighting as essential, not decorative, because poor illumination can flatten even the finest interiors. In 2026, control is luxury. Number 11 is the entertainment estate with the invisible kitchen. This is the home built for polished hosting, where the show kitchen stays immaculate, and the real work happens behind the scenes in a secondary prep space. It reflects a broader trend. Luxury buyers want beauty, but they also want life to remain invisible when guests arrive. At number 10, we cross into the fire-resilient coastal estate, where the conversation changes. In parts of high-end California and other exposed markets, buyers now care as much about durability and insurability as they do about design. Concrete shells, smarter site planning, and better drainage are becoming part of the luxury language. Number 9 is the tropical compound, the kind of property that defines private resort living. A recent Miami Beach listing priced around $110 million captured the formula perfectly. lush landscaping, layered outdoor rooms, guest privacy, and an atmosphere that feels more like a sanctuary than a single house. This is vacation mode, permanently on. At number 8, the Skyline Penthouse returns, but now with more scale, more privacy, and more polish. These units stand out because they feel rare even among rare properties. Private elevator access, terrace pools, chef-grade kitchens, and views that seem to belong only to you. Urban luxury gets sharper here. Number 7 is the Coastal Modern Villa, where architecture and setting work in perfect alignment. Clean lines, natural stone, warm woods, and glass walls make the landscape part of the interior. The best of these homes feel calm, not loud. And in 2026, calm is its own status symbol. At number 6, we move to the private island-style estate, even when it is not literally on an island. The effect matters more than the geography. Long gates, hidden approaches, layered security, and self-contained amenities create total separation from the outside world. For the ultra-wealthy, that level of control is priceless. Number 5 is the Legacy Mansion reimagined for modern living. These homes keep the drama of old-world scale, but they trade excess for livability. Cleaner lines, better circulation, larger wellness zones, and more thoughtful family spaces. It is a reminder that the most important luxury trend in 2026 is not spectacle, it is relevance. At number 4, the resort compound takes over. Here, the backyard becomes the destination. Outdoor kitchens, lap pools, cabanas, fire features, sports courts, and spa circuits that include sauna and cold plunge setups. The home stops feeling like a house with amenities. It starts feeling like a private club. Number 3 is the ultra-modern architectural statement, a property so carefully designed that every line feels intentional. Premium materials, sculptural staircases, seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, and gallery-like interiors define the experience. These homes appeal to buyers who want design to communicate taste instantly, without needing explanation. At number 2, we reach the true trophy waterfront estate. This is where prestige, privacy, and permanence come together. The best examples have protected shoreline access, expansive entertaining decks, guest pavilions, and finishes chosen for endurance as much as beauty. This is luxury that feels both dramatic and defensible. And at number 1, the ultimate 2026 luxury property is the fully realized private compound. Waterfront or hillside, but always secure. Architectural, but always livable. High-tech, but never cold. Beautiful, but built to endure. It has wellness spaces, smart controls, branded level service, resort-style outdoors, and the kind of turnkey perfection that saves time as much as it impresses guests. That is the full formula now. That is what the top of the market looks like in 2026. Not just bigger homes, better homes, smarter homes, more private homes. Homes that protect wealth, support well-being, and make daily life feel elevated from the moment you walk in. Comment your pick for number 1 and tell us what matters most in 2026.